Now, aggrieved youths in Ibadan have called for the immediate scrapping of the nation's anti-graft agency, Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. The youths who barricaded the Agodi Gate Secretariat, which is the seat of power, disrupted commercial and vehicular movement. They alleged that officials of the commission had over the years harassed and breached their fundamental rights. Their call is for the central government to decommission the agency, which, according to them, has become a conduit pipe for alleged corruption.
Everything.
And please, all Nigerian youth, please support us and EFCC. We want a good life for each other. We want everybody. We want all youth to come up. Please, and EFCC.
See, okay, please, can you please go to their page now and check how many politicians do you see there? No. How many politicians that are looting our money? I won't mention it. No. I won't mention it. How many politicians is there? But they are full of youth. 80 in Adamawa, 95 in Osun, 150 in Ikorodu, 80 in Lagos. How many are we? Shall you get? We are angry. They are killing us. They are naming us name in another country. They are naming the youth that we are fraudster. Say I went to UK. They asked me that I want to pay in a store. They asked me that you are Nigeria. I said Nigeria. They shut it down. Why? Why? Because the EFCC have named us fraudster. They know us that we are fraudster. Same thing. I went to Dubai. I want to change my money to Dubai. I want to change my money to Dubai money. They immediately they saw my passport as a Nigerian. They say we are scammers.